How to wax your underarms and get rid of blackheads, easy and safe tips. Hey there. If you've ever struggled with underarm waxing or those annoying little blackheads, you're not alone. But don't worry. Today, I'm sharing some easy, safe and super effective ways to keep your underarms smooth, fresh and blackhead free. Let's be real. Our underarms don't always get the love they deserve. Sweat, dead skin and hair removal can cause irritation, darkening and even clogged pores. The good news, a little care goes a long way. Pro tip: exfoliating a day before waxing can help prevent ingrown hairs. And if you have sensitive skin, hard wax is your best friend. It's less painful and grabs hair better. Step 1. Start with clean, dry skin. Wash with a gentle soap and pat dry. Step 2. Lightly dust baby powder to absorb any moisture. Step 3. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Step 4. Hold your skin tight and pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction. Step 5. Apply a soothing gel or aloe vera to calm the skin. Yes, blackheads on underarms are a thing. They're usually caused by sweat and oil buildup. A simple detox routine will help keep them away. Step 1. Open up your pores with a warm towel for 5 minutes. Step 2. Gently exfoliate using a mix of baking soda and water once a week. Step 3. Apply a clay or charcoal mask to absorb oil and clear clogged pores. Step 4. Rinse with cold water and moisturize lightly. Dark underarms. It's usually due to irritation from shaving, friction, or harsh deodorants. Switching to natural alternatives like coconut oil can help brighten the skin over time. Avoid deodorants with alcohol and harsh chemicals. Wear breathable cotton clothes to reduce friction. Exfoliate once a week to prevent buildup. If wearing sleeveless clothes, apply sunscreen to avoid pigmentation. Avoid these common mistakes to keep your underarms smooth, fresh, and irritation-free. Waxing over irritated or broken skin. Applying deodorant right after waxing. Skipping exfoliation before waxing. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your go-to underarm care routine?